I've got three, I dare call them powerhouse stocks that are up over 150% for the year, where the S&P is only up about 12%. Now, these stocks that I'm going to talk about are at make or break points. You're going to need to know what to do based upon how you invest in the stock market, whether you're a little greedy and playing the technicals or whether you're a little fearful and want confirmation. I'm going to help you out today. Now, what are those three stocks? We're going to get to that in a moment, but as a VectorVest investor, you want to know what to look for in individual stocks. So we're going to start off with two stocks. Now, these stocks are not on my list, but I want to break down the type of investor you are and what kind of stocks you're looking for. First stock on the list is Abercrombie & Fitch, trading at $57 with a value of $21.94. This stock is currently overvalued. Now, VectorVest wants you to be in safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at the right time. Now, is this a bad stock? No. It just means that you're paying a premium to own the stock. Let's move over to the fundamentals. Relative value, relative safety, both below one. So, not a fundamentally sound stock, but it is in an uptrend. This is where the technicals come into play. It may be overvalued, not fundamentally sound, but in an uptrend, VST at 1.24 and a CI at 1.74. This means this stock goes up more than it goes down. Modine for the other stock, $45 with a value of 64, undervalued stock. Remember, we want you to be in safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. This is ideal for the people who are a little bit more fearful, not wanting to get in and out, and just ride the trend. It's got a relative value above one, relative safety above one, fundamentally sound, in an uptrend, VST at 1.33, and it goes up more than it goes down. But two entirely different stocks. Who invests in the top one? The more greedy or aggressive investor. Who invests in the second one? The more fearful or prudent investor. Let's go take a look at these graphs real quick, put them on a 3-month graph. And I love the idea of looking at the near perfect indicator. Nobody else in this field has the near perfect indicator. You want to be able to analyze your stocks on this graph? Go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Take out a 99-cent trial to the VectorVest system for 30 days where you will have access to this graph. Abercrombie & Fitch over the last 30 days, over the last 3 months, bottom left, top right. More aggressive trade, right? Getting in and getting out using the RT, but definitely in a trend, moving up, not fundamentally sound, but it is in an uptrend. Let's go to the second stop, Modine. Now, bottom left, top right. Again, look at the trend. The trend is there. Opportunities to get out to capture profits if I'm a little bit more aggressive. But if I'm a little bit more fearful, a little bit more prudent, the trend is there. Look at the pullback. Trend is intact. Pullback. Trend is intact. Pullback. Trend is intact. For the longer term, more fearful investor who's looking for confirmation, this is a good way to keep your eyes on the prize and not get in and out and ride the wave. All right, it is trending down, but you know something? This keeps me sane knowing that there is trend intact. All right, so those are my two different stocks. You can either one, based upon how you invest in the market, you can make money, but you have to know the type of investor you are. Now, let's talk about the stocks that are my powerhouse stocks that are up over 150% for the year that are at make or break points. And this is where the rubber meets the road. You need to know how to manage these trades. Now, I'm going to go to some news real quick. All right. Now, first on my list, Tesla. Here's a story: onward and upward. Tesla vehicles decline sequentially due to downtime at production facilities. That's fine. I understand that, especially in the market's given condition it's in. Talking about Cybertruck sales or orders, $2 million back order. That's a lot of trucks that they already got out there that are sold. All right. So let's go to the next one, SMCI. A lot of you are still holding this stock and wondering, what do I need to do? It is still an AI play. The AI hype, I think, is here for the long time. Supermicro has outperformed stock like NVIDIA with a return of over 680% since mid-2021. And again, I know a lot of you are still holding it. The financials show the company's hyper growth with top-line sales more than doubling in the last 2.5 years and profits up over 470% in that time. Holy smokes. But it is at a make or break point. And the last stock, oil. Tidewater inks a global support deal with Caterpillar. Tidewater is got 200 ships. Look at that. Tidewater's fleet of more than 200 OSVs. They've got a lot going on in this space, in the energy space, and inking a deal with Caterpillar. Caterpillar should start to run up as well based on this. But these are my 3 powerhouse stocks. Now let's get right back into the software and let's go take a look at these stocks in my watch list. Go to Watchlist Viewer. Here they are. Now we're up to the stocks that are my powerhouse stocks that have done so well, and there are at make or break points. So we looked at it from a simple perspective with Abercrombie and Finch and Modine. Let's do the same thing with SMCI. Let me fit this up real quick. SMCI, undervalued, good. Tidewater, undervalued, good. Tesla, overvalued. Remember, overvalued just means that you're paying a premium to own the stock. Doesn't make it a bad stock. Remember, altogether, these 3 stocks are up over 150% for the year. Fundamentally sound, all 3 of these stocks are fundamentally sound. Are they all in uptrends? Aha, no, they aren't. SMCI, RT right at 1, but still below. Tesla, RT at 0.87, below 1. All 3 have good VSTs above 1. CIs, 2 out of the 3 have CIs. They go up more than they go down over the third one, which is Tesla. All 3 have double-digit earnings growth rates. Now, why are these at make or break points? All right, let's go click on graph all. Still looking at the MPI graph. Now, where is the trend on SMCI? It's just starting again. Now, if I'm a little bit more aggressive, what am I looking for before I get in? Let's wait for RT to cross over above 1. That's a first indication. The longer term investor, right now, the prudent investor, I'd wait till I can start to see more of a sustainable trend. Right now, this is at a break more so than a make. Let's go to the next one. Tidewater. Oil, again, hot topic. 45-degree angle up. Trend is there. And look at all of the pullbacks. Trend in place. Pullback. Trend in place. Current pullback. Trend in place. This is at a make point. Now, if I'm a little bit more aggressive, I can use RT to get out at the right time to say I want to wait for RT to give me another buying opportunity. But if I'm a little bit more prudent, I'm really comfortable that the trend is here right now. This is at a make point, not a break point. But if we break below this level of the trend line, then I'd reconsider. Let's go to the last one, Tesla. Moving down. No trend, even on the pullback, trend broke. All right, we got back up. Trend broke again, and RT is moving down. This is at a break point for me right now. What I'm looking for a make point is I'm looking for RT to go back above the 5-day moving average for the more aggressive investor. For the more prudent to fearful investor, I'm looking for a defined trend. This is at a break point for me right now. So folks, those are my 3 stocks, powerhouse stocks, and how to trade them based upon how you invest in the market. A little bit more aggressive, there's a signal there for you on the graph. A little bit more prudent, let's make sure that trend is in place because I don't want to keep getting in and getting out. Folks, if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel and you found this worthy of you from information perspective, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share this content. There's a lot of people out there who are in these stocks that don't realize that they are at a make or break point, and I'm depending on you to get the word out to help investors make money in the market. It's all about us helping to feed the nation, VV Nation. Folks, this video is over. And if you like this content right here and want to see more stocks like this, let me know in the comments. Type in the word more. I've got a bevy of stocks like this to help you guys make the right decisions at the right time. And until the next time, see ya. VV Nation, did you know that there are 7 deadly sins that can keep you from consistently making money in the market? If you would like to know more about those sins, and if you are falling victim to any of them, he goes right now to www.vectorvest.com/YT7sins to get your free report. You don't want to miss out on this, so do that right now.